being detained. What are you waiting for? Oh, stop! Whoa, what the fuck? What the fuck, dude? Stop it! Stop fighting! Stop it! What are you waiting for? Oh, stop! I want my mom! You stop!
On September 29th, 2025, at 12:15 a.m., an officer pulled over a vehicle for a simple seatbelt violation, but the routine stop ground to a halt when a passenger named Tyler refused to provide his ID for them.
Appreciate it.
You got your ID on you, sir? Sir, do you have your ID on you by chance? Okay. Do you have any sort of identification on you? What's your name, sir? At this point, you gotta identify yourself, okay?
No, I have my seatbelt on. It was like this.
Alright, so like he said, at this point, when we saw you, you did not have your seatbelt on, so you have to identify yourself.
I have my seatbelt on.
Okay, well you can keep saying that, but if you don't ID yourself, then you're gonna go to jail, okay?
Alright, so at this point, man, listen, I'm gonna explain it to you. If you don't identify yourself, you're gonna take jail for obstructing. I'm explaining to you what's about to happen. You just need to let me know if you want to identify yourself and give me a chance. It's just going to result in a warning for no seatbelt. But as a passenger, you have to wear your seatbelt.
I have my seatbelt on.
That's not how this works, man. I'm already telling you. I saw you without your seatbelt on.
So, for not IDing yourself, that's what happens. When you commit a violation, it doesn't matter. You committed a violation when you passed us, you didn't have your seatbelt on.
So listen, man, I'll just explain it to you like
No,
this.
I have my seatbelt on.
You guys went right in front of me on MLK.
Yeah, I understand that.
You didn't have your seatbelt on, man. Okay?
I hear that.
Okay, so would you rather go to jail or not identify yourself?
Alright, so what's your name then? What's that? Levi what?
Levi what?
So, are you giving me the right name? Okay. So, also, I will just, not saying you are, but I just want you to know that if you are giving us a false name, that's also an arrestable offense, okay? Okay? I'm just letting you know.
My seatbelt was on.
It was not when you drove by us.
Yes, it was.
It was not.
My seatbelt has been on this whole time.
Okay, well you can keep saying that, but we saw you without your seatbelt on.
I've had my seatbelt on this whole time.
Tibble.
I thought you guys couldn't ask me for him.
What's that?
I said, I thought you guys couldn't ask me for him.
So, since you committed a violation, a traffic violation, we're allowed to get your ID, okay? What's that?
So what you guys looking for?
What do you mean? Yeah, it's just for my safety.
You feel unsafe? Can you open the door?
No, if you roll the window up, then I'll just open the door, ask you to step out. No, it's all good, man. And listen, at the end of the day, it's most likely just going to be a warning for no seatbelt, man. We're not trying to hassle you guys. It's more just trying to spread awareness for safe driving, man.
Hey, boss, so we're having some difficulty finding your ID. Do you have a Florida ID at all, or a license? Where are you from? Wisconsin? Do you have a Wisconsin ID or anything? What's your social, bud? Oh, okay, gotcha.
No, it's all good, man. We're trying to work with you here. We just need you, like, we need to be able to find you in the system.
You're not going to get cited, but we do have to document that we're going to give you a warning for the seatbelt. So.
Well, listen, man, I've already explained it to you. You're cool with us, we'll be cool with you, and you'll go about your day with just a warning, all right?
You don't know your social at 27 years old? Is there a reason why you don't want to, like, want me to hear it? Okay, because you keep like bumbling it.
No, I know, man, but like I said, we're just having trouble finding you in the system, that's all. Well, everybody's in the system. If you've ever had any form of ID in any state in this country, you're in the system.
What's that?
What's that? It's always something new every day. What's that? What's that? About 3 years. Yeah, it's a fun job, man. Is that where you were heading? Heading to pick up Tinder date? Well, you better tell her it's gonna be a minute.
Do you have anything on you that shows like your identification or anything like that? Do you have a picture of your Wisconsin ID or anything like that? Do you know your social security number? What?
Like I said, usually it's, here's my name, alright. Everything's good to go, give you a warning, you guys go about your day.
You don't know your social? You're 20, how old are you? You're 27 years old and you don't know your social?
You been pulled over before? You said you've been in trouble with your business? Oh, good for you. You got your phone right there. It don't work? Well, I'll be honest with you. Whatever happens here tonight, for future reference, it's best to have some sort of ID on you.
Yeah, I know, but I was, like I said, I just got here. I'm supposed to start brand new.
Get your social, like, just have something on you.
Hey man, can you step out for a second? Is there anything in that case?
The roadside debate turned into a violent physical struggle when Tyler resisted being handcuffed, leading to an arrest that ultimately uncovered cocaine and a false identity.
Frank, hey guys, just stop. You're being detained right now.
For what?
Stop. Why am I being detained in a minute? You're gonna get a resist if you keep doing what you're doing. Why am I being detained? I'll let you know in a minute once I get you handcuffed. Yo.
What is going on? What are you guys doing right now?
Bro, you're resisting. You're literally resisting. It's on camera.
Resisting.
Stop fighting. It's on camera.
Why are you arresting me?
Stop. You're being detained. Stop.
For what?
Hand on your back. Stop.
I'm gonna tell you right now, you don't do it, we're gonna take you to the ground. You understand that? I'm gonna dump you on your face here in 2 seconds. I promise you I will do it.
Why? Why would you do that?
Relax your arms. Relax your arms.
Why am I being detained? What are you waiting? Oh, stop! Whoa, what the fuck? Oh my god, what the fuck is going on? Ow! What the fuck? Why am I being arrested? Stop it, please!
You need to stop.
Stop it, please!
You stop!
What are you doing to me? Oh, what the fuck is happening? Stop! Ow! Stop! Ow! You're fucking me up! Stop it, please! Oh! Stop! Stop it!
Put your right hand.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'm bleeding!
Laying on his wrist.
I'm bleeding!
Get out of your arm. I'm gonna punch you in your ribs. I'm gonna punch you in your ribs. Watch out, watch out. Stop laying on your hand, bro.
Stop it! I wanna go home! I wanna go home! Ow! Ow! The car stop! I want my mom! Please stop!
You stop, bro.
Stop
We told you a million times.
Stop it! What are you doing? Stop!
Give me your hand.
Stop it! Stop it! I will get in the car. You stop!
Not get in the car. Give me your
Stop!
hand.
Please stop! Oh! Let me stand up! Let me stand up!
Stop fighting, man.
I'm bleeding!
10-4, stand by.
Oh! Oh! This shit trying me! He punched the fucking... Stop it! Stop it! Oh!
Just give me your
Oh,
hand.
you see him punch the fucking shit!
Give him your hand.
What the fuck is going on?
You've had a million chances.
Stop it, please!
Give him your hand and we'll
Let me
stop.
stand up. My face is so bloody!
We will stop
My
once you
face
give him
is
your
so
hand.
bloody! No, the fuck up! Get off me! Get off me! Ow! 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 Stop it!
Stop fighting.
Stop it! I'm not fighting! I'm not fighting!
Yes, you are. You can stop screaming.
Please help me! Please help me! Help me! Help me, please! Help me, please!
We'll get you his number, but we need you to stand up for us. All right?
Help me, please! Help me!
We'll get you.
Number, all right, man?
Can you get it before I go?
Yep. Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Please get the number.
We will get the number. Come on.
Can you tell me one more time?
I'll write it down for
We're gonna
you.
write it down, Tyler.
Please get his number. Please.
We're going right now.
Please,
Watch out.
please.
Real quick.
Oh my god.
Hey, you wanna hear me for a second?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Dude, what the heck was that for, bro?
I wasn't trying.
Please just put your hands behind your back or you're gonna go to the ground. Dude, you got
I
five.
was just kind of arguing with you, man. You didn't have to do all that. I wasn't gonna fight you. I wasn't fighting you.
Yeah, but all right, correct me if I'm wrong. Were you pulling away or not?
No, I was just
All
not
right.
moving.
Now-
I was just not moving.
You didn't have to like pull away and resist like that, man.
I was just not moving.
No, you weren't listening, man. You were
Why did you guys do that to me, man? I was not fucking going nowhere. I was just standing there arguing with you.
But let's be honest here. You were pulling away, and dude, I'm not gonna lie. You're a strong dude.
I was not trying to fight anybody or nothing like that.
Yes,
man.
but
I was
you-
just trying not to move because I was trying to get my point across.
Yeah,
man.
but you were resisting, man. And then if we're telling you, hey, man, please put your hands behind your back, please. I know you know your social,
I don't know my social.
but you do know your correct name, and you didn't want to tell me it. Why didn't you want to tell me your correct name?
I'm fucking scared, man.
Dude, no, you don't got to be scared, man. If you don't have nothing to worry about, why are you scared? You're not doing it, dude. You're resisting officers, man. It's like you can't do that. And it turned into this whole thing for like really, to be honest, no reason. It was your name is false, and I told you this. Don't lie to me about your name, man. It'll get figured out. And you did it anyway. Huh?
You guys didn't have to do that. I was just standing there to argue. That's it. You didn't have to do all that, man.
Dude,
I get it.
Why were you gonna argue with us? That's the point, though.
Anybody.
Hey, Tyler,
I don't have a job to do, man.
Tyler, why were you gonna argue with us though? Like, what's the point of that?
You really didn't have to do any of that. I promise you that. Ow.
All right, well, we'll get them adjusted.
Holy sh-
Hey, Tyler, listen to me.
Oh my god.
Can you listen to me for a sec? Well, I'll adjust them for you when you get inside. All right, man? Just hold on.
Oh my god. This shit hurts so bad.
Okay, we're almost in there, man, and we'll loosen them up.
Freaking thumb's leaking.
Leaking?
I feel like you guys dislocated my shoulder, man.
on.
I'm so scared, man.
Dude, you don't got to be scared, man. What's done is done, and we'll get past it.
Following the arrest on September 29, 2025, Tyler was transported to the local detention center for booking and processing. His midnight decision to withhold his name and fight a simple seatbelt infraction completely backfired, as his refusal to identify himself legally authorized the officers to escalate their investigation, ultimately leading to the discovery of illicit narcotics. In court, the prosecution relied heavily on the body camera footage of the incident. The video clearly captured the officer's repeated warnings that withholding his identity was an arrestable offense, as well as the prolonged physical struggle that occurred when Tyler tensed up and refused to place his hands behind his back. Although he repeatedly shouted that he was not fighting, his physical resistance to the handcuffing procedure firmly secured his conviction for obstructing an officer without violence. Combined with the recovery of narcotics during the post-arrest search, Tyler was formally prosecuted for possession of cocaine, obstructing an officer without violence, and providing false identification. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.